there's a defect called bridge or bridging, which really describes what it looks like physically. And there's a lot of defects that are kind of like this. So this is when there's a node, two nodes that have connected together, usually with solder. And so it's also called a solder bridge or solder bridging. And this can happen because you don't have a good wetted joint, and so it doesn't snap off in between. Or it could be that you have, like, for instance, in a BGA, there's enough warpage that in the center you've got the solder joints are squished flat and they connect together. So either way, it's a problem because then you have a short that prevents the board from working properly. A tombstone or a drawbridge is two words for the same defect. And this is, again, another very descriptive term. What happens is when you have a chip capacitor or a resistor that should be lying flat, connected at two sides, it has popped up either like an open drawbridge or like a tombstone, like from a cemetery. And the reason this happens is because you can have one side melting before the other, and when that happens, then the surface tension of the melted side will pop up and release the side that hasn't melted yet. It's not very strong, it's just sitting in the solder paste, so it'll pop up and form an open, which is usually not what you want. So the reason this happens too is because you can have differential heating between the two sides. That's why they melt at different times. So you need to look to see if you have thermal relief on the side that has a ground plane, or whether that effective pad is too large. Those are the typical things that will cause these components to melt at different times on each side and pop up like that.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.